Hello. Hello. Yes. Hello. Hi, handsome. He's so funny. He's so funny. Say hi, Ma. Hi. Yes, I love. Oh, boy. Say I love you. Say I love you. Sounds just like it. I agree. I agree. What else? Yeah? Were you in your big boy carrier today? Yeah? Did you walk around with Daddy? Okay. What else do you want to tell us? What else are you going to tell Mommy and Daddy? Go ahead. What are you going to say? Go ahead. Tell me. Tell me. I'm listening. I'm listening. Go ahead. Get it out. Squeeze it out. Squeeze it out. Come on. Tell Mama. Oh. There we go.